special guest here with me today. My son Lachlan is going to help me unbox. What are we unboxing today?
We're boxing the spring cherry box.
This is the spring 2025 cherry box from A Cherry on Top Crafts. Let's find out what's inside. I'm going to lift this out. Will you remove the box?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Maybe.
Okay. So it comes wrapped up all nice. I did already take a little bit of the packaging off, so hopefully it won't be too loud. But we remove the paper. Thank you. All right. So first things first is we see this really adorable journal. So it's from Finnabair, and it is a vintage vanity denim art journal, which is super unique. Let's open it. Let's see. Okay. Okay, can you untie it and open it?
Maybe.
Just pull the string. So this is really cool. It's got the grommets, so you can put the holes or the strings in any hole. Cool. And it's tri-fold. You have a pocket up front, and you have a place for pins. And let's see, you have you can put page protectors. It looks like that's 6x8 size, so you could do it use it like a little mini album.
So cute.
And then it has some mixed media paper.
Yay.
And then it has some dividers that are like fabric, which is really cool. And then this one at the end, which is bigger. And then instead of rings, you just use like the different strings, and you can tie them in bows. Ooh, you could like thread beads on them or charms or something. I like that. Cool. Or you could even put like different color ribbons through them. I like this idea of like binding. I've never done that before, but I really like it.
Cool.
What do you think? You need to do it like a mini album with that, don't you think?
Yeah, it's really cute.
I like it too. Very cool. All right. So before we dive into the bag, let's just look at these other things that came in. What's that?
Look like pebbles.
That's exactly right. It's pebbles. Can you open it? Is it?
Yeah,
got
I think
plastic on
so.
it? Here, you take these out while I open it.
And these are paints. I'm not really sure.
What does it say?
Well, this one's rose stencil butter. This one's seafoam
Stencil butter from TCW, the Crafters Workshop, and they're like, you put them through like a stencil, cool. Obviously, like texture paste kind of. And we have rose and seafoam. Very pretty, very nice. Just set those there. And then these are pebbles, and they're different sizes.
They're like bubbles.
Just clear, exactly. They're like bubbles. Put them out here. All different sizes. Let's see, they're like acrylic, like plastic. Those are fun for a mixed media project, or maybe even some of the smaller ones on a scrapbook page. I like that. Yeah. Okay.
Here's this big one.
Now, let's see. Let's see what's in our bag here. So, the cherry box, tomorrow, the 25th, they start shipping. So, this will be going up immediately for you to see everything and see if you want to subscribe and grab one. And this is the spring one. They do quarterly, and you get $100 worth of products, or more. It's at least $100 worth of full-size products, and it is $50, and that's including free domestic shipping in the U.S. and some cherry points, and you get like a little idea pamphlet and everything too. So let's do the paper first, and then we'll look at all of the ephemera and goodies.
Because these papers are pretty.
So that is Secret Garden, and it is by Carta. And let's just real quick flip through everything that comes in this collection. So it's the spring box. So obviously we're doing spring paper, spring theme here. We're gonna do some Easter photos and just other things. Yeah. So there's the element sticker. Lots of fun stickers. I like that it's a very good mix of words and pictures without words, because I like a good mix. I don't like it when everything has words. Okay. I love the texture of Carta. It's like matte and a little textured. So we have a nice green star and a wildflower. Oh, with little bows or butterflies? Both. Yeah, they're butterflies, but that one kind of looks like a bow. And then we have a pink kind of dot. Turn it. And birds. It's got like a nice cream base to them. I really like this one.
Flower.
Yeah, a dark floral. Ooh, and a cut apart. So I'm gonna put a fairy tale. Ooh, garden. I've been looking at garden stuff. I'm ready for my garden to start. We've been working hard on our garden, haven't we? We got a nice mustard yellow. Ooh, I love this. Garden gates. They're garden gates. See?
Yeah. Well, they look like doors.
We can take some pictures in our garden when our things start blooming. We have a nice blue solid. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that floral. Very pretty. And another floral. Cream backgrounds. Very nice. And some cut aparts. Got some 3x6, 3x4, and 4x6.
The sad part is they're two sides. You can't use both.
I know it's going to be hard to choose, right? So sometimes you just use both sides. Cute butterflies and a yellow and a green.
We do have that green and then some flowers.
Florals. I like those keys. Those are fun. I like the colors.
Some cut apart.
Yeah, these are 4x4s.
Some like flower. No, I mean pink.
That's basically reads as a solid. Ooh, and some books. I like that. Secret Garden. That's one of my favorite books. Love that movie. A darker blue.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's cute. Woodland creatures and a fountain.
And then we have
I like that
pink.
one.
And then some more cut apart.
Yeah, my favorite size cut aparts are 3x4. Sorry, for pocket pages. That's what I like to use.
And that's all.
So again, that's the Secret Garden collection by Carta. So you get that whole collection pack, which is I think 12 papers. Yes, 12 by 12 papers and a sticker sheet. And then you get, let's see what we got. Mechanicals by Finnabair, and it's like little plaques that you can adhere down with like brads or something, and they're almost like what do you call it? Copper. Yes, copper. I think. Yeah, or bronze that oxidizes with like the green, and when it oxidizes, it turns green. So I really like that. Very much like a garden. I like that a lot.
So pretty.
This is cool to apply your stencil better. It's like a palette. I really like that. That's really cool. I don't have one like that. It's really big too.
It's really big and green.
So we have a 12x6 chipboard sheet of stickers, which is that coordinates with the Secret Garden. You got some of the gates. You got banners. That's cute. The tree with the swing and the fountain. I love that. Some books.
And the
love,
Secret Garden bloomed and bloomed and bloomed, and every morning new reveal new miracles.
Let's look at the frames and tags that come. Again, it's the Secret Garden collection. Frames and tags. And all different sizes.
So cute.
I'm just going to flip through them really quick. This one. If you have a garden and a library, you have everything you need. Amen. I agree. So you have some blank labels that you can write on or stamp on, and you have some that say things already. These all have words on them. Well, besides the blank ones, I guess. So I could put images on those or layer them up. I like that. Even the ones with words, if it's maybe something that you wouldn't like to use necessarily or doesn't fit, you could still layer on top of it and cover up the words. Let your heart be a garden of happiness blooming with love and laughter. That's cute. Or if the wording isn't good for you, cut it off and just use the top. Put a little bow in. Cute, cute. Life is so very sweet. I like this. This is a cute collection. If I'm honest, I have to tell you, I still read fairy tales, and I like them best of all. Audrey Hepburn. I like it. Cute. I like it. Perfectly delightful
This
day.
one's cute on this one because it's like kind of
Scallop.
you can leave it like it, or you can take it off.
That's exactly right. Or you can leave it like that, but you take it out and like pop up the inside or pop up the outside. Look at these. These are brads, but they're not like poke through brads. They're adhesive brads, which I really like. So you have some gemstones, and then you just have like little images and then pearls and then some chipboard pieces. Super cute. I like the little bees.
Life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale.
So cute. And, ooh, what's this? Oh, rub-ons. I love rub-ons. I have never tried Prima rub-ons, so I'm excited to try those. So we have some garden elements and some just like vintage kind of things, some stamps, a few gears. That is really fun. I like this.
Popsicle stick in the back.
Yeah, the popsicle stick is what you use to rub it on.
Cool.
And then lastly, for your stencil butter and your cool little palette thing, you have stencils. And I love these. I have some butterfly stencils that I think that you can die cut, and they would mix and match with this so perfectly. I love these. These almost look like a kaleidoscope or stained glass, kind of.
This one would look good.
Yeah.
Because I think
so
blue
too.
and it's a Carta.
I agree. I think that looks really good. You could put both of them. I wonder if you mix them together. Ooh, careful.
Cool.
If they would make purple. I bet so. We're going to have to experiment.
This is the sea foam color.
And this is the rose. Well, so there are the details. I'll link down below with my affiliate link if you would like to subscribe and grab yours. I will go ahead and put this up tonight. I just got it in the mail today, so I'll go ahead and put it up tonight. So the 25th is the day that they start shipping, so you can still subscribe, and as long as they don't run out, you can continue to subscribe. And then again, it's $50 with free domestic shipping, and it's at least $100 worth of product. And thank you, Lachlan, for helping me unbox. Can you say bye to everyone?
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks, y'all. Let me know if you have any questions.